Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to learn 30 basic commands that every beginner should know if you are new to Linux or just want to refresh your memory. This video will help you to understand the most useful commands in very simple way. I will show you the command, explain what it does. So let's get started. The first command is pwd. This shows your working directory, the folder you are currently in. Next command is ls. ls stands for list all the files and folders. What ls will do, it lists all the files and folders in your current location. cd stands for change directory or move into another folder. If you want to move into another directory, in Windows we call it as folder, in Linux we call it as directory. Next, coming to the mkdir, make directory stands for. Okay, so you can create a directory with the help of mkdir, and dir stands for remove directory and delete. It is used to delete an empty folder. Next, the command is touch command. It is used to create a empty file. Okay, so next command is cat. With the help of the cat also you can create the file and you can modify the file also, right? You can what cat will do, it show the contents of the file on the screen. Okay, so if you want to read the file using cat also you can do that. Next command is echo. So if you want to print a message or save text into a file, so this command will help you out. Next command is cp. cp stands for copy files or folders from one place to another. Next mv, move or rename files and folders. The next command is rm. It is used to remove files or folders permanently. Next we have man command, manual pages used to get help about a command. Next we have the clear. If you want to clear the terminal screen, you can use this clear. Who I am show which, who I am is the next command, show which user is currently logged in. The next command is date. By using this date you can display the current date and time. Next you can type just cal or cal space -3. It will show you the calendar of the current month or else previous 3 months calendar. Next command is find command in the Linux, which we have. It is used to search for the files and folders if you miss the location. Next another useful command is locate in the Linux, which frequently we use. Quickly find the path of the file. It is used to. Next command is which, show the location of the program. It will show you the location of the program. Where is the next command, show the location of a command and along with its manual files. The next command is uname, show system information like kernel version for you. The next command is stop. It will show the running processors and the system usage live. Next command is ps. It will list out the processors and running in the current session. Next command is kill. Stop a process using its process ID. You can stop any process or else you can kill any processors by its process ID, right? So next command is df. It will show you the disk usage and available space, how much it is there, like that. Next command is du. Show how much space a directory is using. The next command is star. Archive files into a single file. The next command is gzip. Compresses files and saves a space. Okay. Next gunzip. What it will do, it decompresses the files that were compressed with gzip. Next, the history. This command show the list of all the commands that you have typed up to now. Okay, so right, these are the 30 commands, guys, and that's it. 30 basic Linux commands you can start using right away. These are the building blocks of working in Linux. Once you get comfortable with these, you will feel much more confident using the terminal, like how you are using Windows. If you find this useful, make sure to practice each command on your own system, because if you're AWS or learning DevOps, it's very important to learn Linux commands, right? So most of the applications in the real time also hosted on top of the Linux operating system. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share this with your friends who are also learning. Linux. So this channel is made for the learning purpose. Those who are beginners entering into the cloud platforms, in our channel lot of videos are there related to the AWS, DevOps, or else some other things like Linux. So this channel will help you out. So you can see the playlist and you can learn from there. So if you have any doubts, mention in the comment section. I will give the reply. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.